Welcome all. I am B.K. Nagaraj, second BBA from KCS Kasinagar College of Arts and Science. This is a subject of Business Regulatory Framework. Topic: Foreign Exchange Management Act 1999. Content: Meaning of Foreign Exchange Management Act, Objective and Salient Features of Foreign Exchange Management Act, Applicability of Foreign Exchange Management Act, Functions of Foreign Exchange Management Act. First, we see about meaning of Foreign Exchange Management Act. The Foreign Exchange Management Act 1999 is an act of the Parliament of India to consolidate and amend the law relating to foreign exchange with the objective of facilitating external trade, payment, and for promoting the orderly development and maintenance for foreign exchange market in India. Next, we see about objectives of Foreign Exchange Management Act 1999. Foreign Exchange Management Act 1999 came into effect from 1/6/2000. The consolidated the law relating to foreign exchange with the objectives of facilitating external trade and payment and promoting the orderly development and maintenance of foreign exchange market in India. It extended to all of India. Next, we see about salient features of Foreign Exchange Management Act. Shift in object, government by RBI, powers clearly demarcated. Effects transaction categorized, current by capital. Provisions dependent on residential status. Residential status on the basis of stay as well as purpose. Civil law, no arrest. Sunset clause introduced. A new concept, compounding introduced. Compounding in the definite time frame 180 days. Next, applicability of Foreign Exchange Management Act. Exports of any goods and services from India to outside foreign currency, that is any currency other than Indian currency. Foreign exchange and foreign security. Imports of goods and services from outside India to India. Security as defined in Public Debt Act 1994. Banking, financial and insurance services. Sale, purchase and exchange of any kind, that is transfer. Any citizen of India residing in the country or outside, non-resident Indian. Functions of Foreign Exchange Management Act. To enforce Foreign Exchange Management Act 1999 and Prevention of Money Laundering Act 2002. To attach the confiscate properties involved in the act of money laundering. To arrest a person suspected to be involved in the act of money laundering. To persecute the person involved in the act of money laundering, to realize the penalties imposed in departmental adjudication. Thank you.